As I have just stated, the recording of this open meeting in compliance with CMS. For the record, prior to doing so, I announced that Palmetto GBA would make an audio recording of this open meeting and consented on behalf of Palmetto GBA. The proposed LCDs can be found on the proposed LCD status report. However, they are as follows: Intervertebral Disc Repair, Radiation Therapies, Total Shoulder Arthroplasty, Magnetic Resonance Imaging of Head and Neck, and finally, Magnetic Resonance Angiography. There have been no requests for presentations that were sent to us in a timely fashion. As such, there will be no presentations at this open meeting. However, I encourage anybody who has a comment to realize that the comment period is open, and it is open until October 12th. Please send in your comments, if you have any, on any of these LCDs to a.policy@palmettogba.com or b.policy@palmettogba.com. Again, the deadline for those comments is October the 12th. And I thank everyone for attending this meeting, and I will now close the meeting.